food, meaning roadside food, unnutritious food. I like junk food mostly, but it is not good for health. I go out to eat junk food after a long time. My parents don't like junk food. They avoid eating it anytime. I like junk food mostly, but it is not good for health. I go to out eat junk food after long time. Teetotaller. Teetotaller, one who never booze, who never drinking alcohol. Akshay Kumar is a teetotaller. Most of Pandit group are teetotaller, and the group serve pure vegetarian food. There are some programs of Ambani's in which only teetotaller are allowed. There are some programs of Ambani in which only teetotaller are allowed. Most of Pandit group are teetotaller and groups serve pure vegetarian food. To betray. To betray, meaning to breach trust. To break the trust. To breach trust. To break the trust. Don't betray anyone because trusting is not easy. Have you ever betrayed anybody? It is easy to betray, but not easy to trust. It is easy to betray, but not easy to trust. Have you ever betrayed anybody? Jilt, to jilt, to betray in love, meaning to betray in love. It is very easy to jilt anyone in Bollywood these days. Deepika Padukone went into depression after was being jilted from her love. Deepika Padukone went into depression after was being jilted from her love. It is very easy to jilt anybody in Bollywood these days. To belch, meaning sound that comes from mouth after stomach full food. I belch after stomach full biryani. Belching depends upon the diet. Belching depends upon the diet. Belching is necessary after meal hosted by any Arab. Otherwise, he takes it as an insult. Belching is necessary after meal hosted by any Arab. Otherwise, he takes it as an insult. Willy nilly. Willy nilly, even if wish in there are not, as well as without wish have. Even if wishes there are not, as well as without wish have. You will have to help people willy-nilly in the politics. I have to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning willy-nilly. You will have to listen to your boss willy-nilly. You will have to help people willy-nilly in the politics. Alimony, meaning allowance given by the husband to the divorcee wife. If anyone wants to divorce his wife, keep alimony ready. Generally, alimony is decided by the court of law. As far as my knowledge is concerned, in Muslim alimony decided at the time of marriage itself, which is called meher. Modus operandi, system of working, procedure. Do you know about modus operandi of government? There are different modus operandi in law of court. In my office, modus operandi is different from other companies. Do you know about modus operandi of government? There are different modus operandi in law of court. In my office, modus operandi is different from other company. Modus operandi. To deride, to deride, to make it fun, to laugh at the other, to scoff off. Nature of somebody is to deride someone every time. Nature of somebody is to deride someone every time. My colleagues' habit to deride anybody. My colleagues' habit to deride anybody. To make it fun, to laugh at the other, to scoff off, to deride. Wildfire, fire in the wood. If you want to spread any news, first of all, it will have to print out in media. If you want to spread any news, first of all, it will have to print out in media. Some news is going on today like wildfire. Wildfire is very bad for all animals.